Hey, I am Tasha, your workplace wellness coach, and I'm here to offer you a common breathing technique that will get you ready to start your day, or it can enhance your calmness during the middle of your workday. So let's get started. Now we're going to do a breathing exercise called the 4-7-8 breathing. And really what that is just a way to be able for you to focus on your breath and your body, allowing it to release the stress and tension as you breathe in. So you're going to connect your awareness to your breath, and that will help you release the tension and refocus yourself for your day. What you're going to do is breathe in for a count of 4, hold for a count of 7, and breathe out for a count of 8. This will allow you to bring in air into your lungs and your belly. So we breathe in from the diaphragm. And then we're going to hold, keep still. Stillness is always good when you are trying to tap into your inner calmness. And then we're going to just release all, and I mean all of the tension. Let it roll off of your shoulders as we're exhaling. So let's begin. Breathing in, hold, breathe out, give it all that you got as you're exhaling. Let all of the air out of your body. Let all of the tension just roll off of your shoulders. Okay, let's try again. Breathe in, hold, breathe out. Breathe in, hold, breathe out. Once again, breathe in, hold, breathe out. Breathe in, hold, breathe out. As you breathe in out, just allow the shoulders to roll away from the ears, allowing your body to really relax in this moment. I hope this was helpful for you as it was for me. And if it was, please let us all know in the comments. And if you would love for me to bring my Yoga at Work program to your job, also let me know in the comments.